Hi, my name is Benjamin. I'm excited to introduce to us the Ecofarms and Agroservices high economic trees and value chain. Over the years, we've observed farmers, mainly in our regions in Nigeria and in sub-Saharan Africa, who fall trees to cultivate the fields for arable crop cultivation. But we figured that with growing global climate challenges and the need to invest heavily in agroforestry for the obvious benefits, if we encourage our farmers to find economic trees that they can embrace because they'll be incentivized from these trees, it's easier to integrate growing of trees to their agricultural practice. So today, I'll be giving us a demonstration of what we do in our nursery, if you come with me. And so today we are going to be talking about our Hass avocado project. There are a number of key economic value trees we're working on. One of them is Hass, one of them is macadamia, one of them is coffee, and the others are bananas, plantains, and the indigenous Nigerian black olive tree. I will talk specifically for avocado today. In front of me are different stages of the avocado production, from the seed, from the local seeds, to the newly grafted plant, to the already flowering grafted plant that is yet to be out of the nursery and ready to go to the field plant. As an organization, we have invested heavily on agroforestry. It's a novel idea in this part of our community, and importantly, it's an idea that we're encouraging farmers to embrace. Hass avocado is growing globally as a commodity that will continue to grow in its economic demand and its ecological relevance. So today, Nigerians are encouraged to know that in Jos Plateau, you will have access all year round to Hass avocado, grafted Hass avocado seedlings. We have the indigenous varieties that thrive very well. But the challenge we've observed with indigenous varieties is that their shelf life is very small. From harvest, the indigenous avocado begins to spoil after 3 to 4 days. If you manage it very well, at most 5 days. But the Hass, from our research, we have observed that they can survive from harvest for as much as 21 days. And if you handle properly, you can even extend as much as a month. So if you're looking for high value economic Hass avocado seeds, we're encouraging you to visit us. And beyond the availability of the Hass seedlings, we have equally developed crop-specific manuals for Hass and number of tree products that I've mentioned, which we are training farmers on how to access, how to manage, how to access the export and the local market. So when you come around, you won't just have access to the seeds, you have access to our resource center where we will train you, where we will teach you if you should be available on how to manage these plants. This is a clear demonstration that Hass avocado can thrive in Nigeria. We did our demonstration farm 2 years ago and we've made our first harvest. And it's an exciting news and we're eager to share it with the world. So please, we welcome you to come to our office in Jos Plateau to see what we are doing. We are excited to also inform intending farmers or already existing farmers that we offer a buyback contract to farmers who are willing to uptake this project. We agree and acknowledge that there's still a lot of gray areas to this business we are clearing out and working around, but we are committed to buy back from farmers who are willing to grow these crops in their fields. We have a local demand for the fruits, we have a local demand for the oil, and we're committing to build on those value chain. But for the export market, we're still perfecting that area, but farmers need to know that there is a buyback. So you're not just growing what will not be useful to you. If you're committing to grow these crops as a farmer, be informed that the eco farms will buy back from you your fruits. We would also specifically like to thank our partners at WERA, at Aldunepart, at Afri 100, and at Fledge. We thank the African Land Accelerator Program who gave us support to be able to set up this nursery. This is a clear example of how organizations can partner to grow and support each other. Thank you.